This is the Toyota Switchblade key, 2007 to 2009. Right now it's not programmed. This is where the Toyota logo goes. It's a sticker. And the bottom here is the Denso sticker, or whatever you want to call it. You got your lock, your unlock, your panic, and your trunk. Just the button to flip open the key. Key's right there. Right now it's uncut. I just got it. Press it and it comes out. In order to close it, you gotta hold the button. See, it doesn't close. You hold it, it locks in place for some reason and it pops open. If you want to close it all the way, there you go. That's it.